Welcome to Now, everybody. I am Ra. Today's exercise could take as little as 1 minute. Just going to explain it, though. What the purpose of this practice is going to be to identify and observe the difference between an event and our thought or our reaction to an event. Now, the practice is going to require us to just go outside and take a walk, or we can even do it within our home. But preferably walk outside for a minute. That's all we need. Just walk outside for a minute and observe what happens inside of your perceptive box here. So you're going to walk down the street for a minute. You're going to notice things. You're going to notice objects. And you are going to observe what happens when you notice the objects. Observe the thoughts. Observe the emotions. Observe the reactions within yourself. And the idea of this practice is not to change the observations, but it's to become aware that the event being observed is different than the reactions you are having. Those are two separate phenomenons. And then you can take the experience of this practice into your life and realize that the thoughts that you're having about specific events are not the events themselves. So for instance, if you're going down the street and you see a car and you immediately associate the car with going fast and exuberance and getting out of town, all of these things are taking place within inside you. Doesn't necessarily mean that the car itself has anything to do with these things. Okay? Somebody else, or maybe you got into a car accident and when you look at a car, that's all you see. I once was friends with someone who got into a really bad car accident and his job was to park cars. And all day long he was freaking out because the cars coming at him all day long. Like they just drive into the lot and go pull right up to him. He's freaking out every single time this is happening because his reaction to the car was associated with a car collision. Okay, so we're going to walk and we're going to observe our thoughts and we're going to observe the separation between our thoughts and our perceptions and the actual events that are as they are, because they're only as they are to us. And if we can see that separation, it allows us to broaden our horizons and how we look at everything in the world and realize that our reaction to them is precisely our reaction and our reality. And when we exist within the realm of many other perceptive beings around us, if we can meet them with the understanding that our reality is our reality, their reality is their reality, the combination of the two is a different color that we both need to see. We both get to see the differences of colors of reality, and then that way we have two different lenses for which to perceive all of life. And then 3 different lenses, and then 7.5 billion different lenses for which to perceive life. And especially if you're out there talking to people and or teaching people, this is a very valuable asset to have. That is all. Get at it. Take a walk.